Yeah, raise it up, bring it down.
When I first started my natural hair journey, my hair was not black. It was
Stop.
actually very, very dark brown. And when I was relaxed, my hair wasn't even dark brown. It was actually burgundy because the relaxers were damaging my hair. This is how I make my henna hair mask. 2 tablespoons of henna, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 2 tablespoons of neem and hibiscus. Mix that with a cup of hot rice water, yeah, for the protein and strengthening benefits. The henna treatment on its own is like a bonding treatment. I use the rice water just to add a little protein into the mix because I was doing this before an extremely long protective hairstyle. Listen, if you're new to this, do not try this, in your first try. Patch test first because this is extremely strong. When I'm done mixing and putting everything in, I put mix it till it has a yogurt consistency. Then I wash my hair. Yes, I wash my hair first because I do not apply the mask to dirty hair. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that the my hair will not be obstructed by anything, including buildup when the dye is trying to adhere to my strands. Once I am done washing and rinsing my strands, my god, I go in and I start applying the mask in sections, making sure to get every strand because of the fenugreek. The fenugreek acts like an emulsifier, holding everything together. Because before I started adding fenugreek, the mixture would be crumbly, grainy, and all that. But because of the fenugreek, everything is together. Make sure to apply everything to each hair strand. Don't forget your hedges. This is what it looks like when it has been thoroughly applied. Curls are already coming through. I rinse it out with conditioner, not shampoo. Emphasis on not shampoo. And this is what my hair looks like once everything has been rinsed out. Big, fluffy, black. I am under the sun right now. My hair is reflective.